We begin with a new court ruling saying some COVID-19 lockdowns here in North Carolina were unconstitutional. This relates to a lawsuit filed against Governor Cooper on behalf of bars and restaurants.
WRAL state government reporter Will Doran has been following this case and shows us what this means for businesses moving forward.
This empty storefront in downtown Raleigh used to be Patio Beers. It's a popular bar with downtown Raleigh office workers, but it closed during the COVID-19 pandemic after Governor Roy Cooper ordered bars like this to shut down. Some of those bar owners sued, and today they won a big victory in court. Parts of Governor Cooper's lockdown orders were unconstitutional, the State Court of Appeals ruled today. That was welcome news for Zach Medford. He could now receive financial compensation from the state. Medford lost 4 Raleigh bars in the pandemic, including Patio Beers. He was one of the hundreds of bar owners who sued.
It's a really hard place to be when you put your life savings and all this work into building an amazing bar, only to have it taken away from you and never have any relief at all.
Cooper's office tells us he stands by his decisions. At its height, COVID was killing hundreds of North Carolinians every single week. A spokesperson for the governor tells us his orders were crafted to save lives while also not completely shutting down the economy. This lawsuit did not challenge the wide-ranging shutdowns at the start of the pandemic. But several months in, Cooper allowed restaurants to reopen and forced bars to remain closed. There was no scientific evidence that bars were more dangerous than restaurants, the court ruled today.
It's been 4 years. We've lost some incredibly amazing bars over that time, and it took this long, but we finally got a win. So it feels really good today.
Now the case goes back to trial, where a judge will decide what the bar owners are owed. Will Doran, WRAL, Raleigh.